Hello everyone, I am Dr. Venkatesh and I am the course coordinator for this online course Intermediate Macroeconomics Part 1 offered by SWAYAM MOOC. This course Intermediate Macroeconomics-I helps us in having bird's eye view of the entire economy. Instead of dealing with a small part of the economy, macroeconomics concentrates on the entire economy and examines the interdependence of different sectors. Some of the key concepts discussed in macroeconomics are scarcity, choice, efficiency, sustainability, economic well-being, economic incentives, establishing equilibrium of an economy, stabilizing the balance of payment of a country, and so on. By the end of this course, you will gain sufficient knowledge on the concepts of macroeconomics with a detailed knowledge of functioning of an economy at macro level as it analyzes and establishes the functional relationship between the large aggregates. On successful completion of this particular course, the candidate will be eligible for 5 credits. So dear learners, I once again welcome you all for this course and I hope that through this program you will gain sufficient knowledge on intermediate macroeconomics. Wishing you all the best.